Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to find where the recording actually lives. Start in voice memos, then immediately check files and any third-party recorder apps you used. Once located, tap the item to confirm it's the call. Metadata or waveform usually shows date/time. If it's in an app, open that app storage or conversation thread. Make sure iCloud syncing is noted now so you can remove copies across devices. This prevents an accidental re-download later. Once you've confirmed the file, delete it inside the hosting app. Don't stop at a soft delete. Next, go to that app's recently deleted or trash and permanently remove the item. If the recording was synced to iCloud, sign into Settings and disable that app's iCloud access, then remove the file from iCloud Drive. Finally, locate device backups. In Settings or Finder, inspect iCloud and local backups, and delete any backup that includes the recording to stop restores from bringing it back. Complete final verification by using Spotlight and the file search to hunt for remaining audio extensions like M4A or MP3. Once done, check other devices and any shared accounts where the file might have synced. If a backup already contained the recording and you need it removed, temporarily restore that backup to a spare device, delete the file there, then make a fresh backup without the recording. Troubleshooting tip: if a deleted copy still appears, check app-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.